Hey, check it out. Just finished up another set of legs for our log benches. Getting ready to head these over to the paint booth. Thought it'd be the perfect time to show you how I paint bare metal.
Welcome to Log Furniture How To, the most all-inclusive site on the net for log and rustic furniture, fixtures, and decor. That's logfurnitureHowTo.com.
This video made possible by Qual Paints in Colorado Springs.
I'll make sure that we have a gap between the metal here and the back so that you can see right there the paint's going to get all on the metal. It'll cover the whole thing. So as we get started, one of the most important steps to paint bare metal is cleaning and prepping the metal. And we've already taken time to grind off the excess welds, get the welds nice and smooth. So we're set up out here to start cleaning the metal. And for that, we use this product right here. It's a TSP substitute. This is a powerful liquid that cleans, degreases, and deglosses surfaces prior to painting or refinishing. We use a regular spray bottle and dilute this product 1 part TSP to 5 parts water. So we normally do this at least 2 times, if not 3, because it'll just keep taking off the oil and it'll actually start to turn it real silver, you'll see. Alright, so we'll give these a few minutes to dry, head on back inside and prep our paint gun. Alright, so here we've got a ½ gallon of direct to metal water-based acrylic paint. And we're going to go ahead and take a minute to dilute it or thin it for our spray gun. So I've got 58 ounces of paint and I'm going to add 10 ounces of water. It's a water base. And here in Colorado we live in such a dry climate that this works fine for all the metal work that we do around here. You can get these powder coated, but this is working fine here. So for the gun I use, I've got a high volume, low pressure gravity feed gun. And I've got an inline gauge for my air pressure so that I can adjust the air pressure right here on the gun. It's a pretty simple process. We've got it pretty much ready to go. We are going to filter the paint. Alright, so I'll grab my respirator and we'll head back out to the paint booth and I'll show you how we do this. That's what we're looking for. When spraying paint, maintain an even distance and steady pace. I shoot the corners so that the paint overlaps on the flat surface. Well, there you go. It's just as easy as that. That's how we paint bare metal.